Let's make creamy Parmesan Sunburst Chicken with a side of broccoli and authentic noodles. For this recipe, slice some chicken breasts in half. Get some authentic noodles. You need 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream, some Parmesan cheese, some broccoli, some salt and pepper, some oregano powder, garlic powder, and 1.5 cups of chicken broth, 3 cloves of minced garlic, and a tablespoon of cornstarch. To a large pan, put a tablespoon of oil, a tablespoon of butter, and you're also going to get a pot of water going for those noodles. Let's put our chicken in this pan with the oil, and we'll just put some salt and pepper and oregano spice on there. And we're going to also steam this broccoli up. If you have a steamer, that's great. Once this chicken has been sitting for about 5-6 minutes, give it a good flip. It should be a little crispy. Season the other side with salt and pepper and oregano powder. And after about 5 minutes on the steamer, that broccoli is done. Let's put those authentic noodles in that boiling water, get it cooking, pull off the chicken. Let's add a tablespoon of oil and that garlic to the pan with that flour. It's actually flour, and I did a tablespoon of flour, and then I added that chicken broth. And then 1.5 cups of the cream, scraping up any little bits. Season that up with a little bit of salt and pepper and a little oregano as well. Now we're gonna add some Parmesan cheese, maybe 1/2 cup to that. Get it nice and creamy. Let's drain those noodles once they're done after 8 to 10 minutes. Mix this sauce up good, and let's add that chicken right back into the pan. And we'll put on some sun-dried tomatoes as well. Give this another touch of flavor here. And once we've drained those noodles, we'll just season them with a little bit of salt, a little bit of butter, and we're just about ready to plate now. So let's put some noodles on the plate, piece of chicken with some sauce and sun-dried tomato, a side of broccoli here, touch of Parmesan cheese, and we're ready to go. Look how amazing, and it's gonna taste like heaven.